Power outages ruining your plans? Imagine endless, silent energy anywhere you go. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 solar generators with LiFePO4 batteries, built for power, safety, and long life. Stick around for real value and grab your favorite through the links below to stay powered always. On number 5 is Anker SOLIX C1000. What if your entire home backup could recharge in just 49 minutes? Sounds unreal, right? Meet the Anker SOLIX C1000, a compact beast redefining top 5 solar generator with LiFePO4 battery standards. First, performance. 2,000 watts output, 1,024 watt-hours capacity, powering 10 devices with ease. But wait till you see the speed. With Hyperflash, it charges insanely fast, solving the biggest fear, downtime during outages. Compared with others, it's lighter, smarter, and more reliable for real-world use. Now durability. LiFePO4 battery with 4,000 cycles gives peace of mind for years. Add 10 millisecond UPS backup. No interruptions, just safety. Downsides? Premium price and app dependency. Still, if you want reliable solar power, this is a smart, future-proof choice. Would you trust this for your home backup? At number 4 is Segway Portable Power Station. What if one power station could handle your entire setup without breaking a sweat? The Segway Portable Power Station Cube 1000 steps in as a serious contender in the top 5 solar generator with LiFePO4 battery space. First, raw power, 2,200 watts, expandable to 4,400 watts. Sounds intense, right? But here's the real hook. Expandable up to 5 kilowatt hours, solving the biggest issue, limited backup time. Compared with others, it feels more future-ready and rugged. Now durability. Over 4,000 cycles with a strong magnesium alloy body brings real peace of mind. Fast charging? Just 1.2 hours keeps you stress-free. Downsides? Expansion costs extra and size may feel bulky. Still, if you want scalable, reliable energy, this is a smart long-term move. Would you go portable or expandable? On number 3 is EF ECOFLOW Portable. What if your power station could go from 0 to full in just 1 hour? No waiting, no stress. The EF ECOFLOW Portable instantly stands out in the top 5 solar generator with LiFePO4 battery lineup. First, speed. 1 hour full recharge solves the biggest frustration, long downtime. But does it deliver beyond that? Power output hits 600 watts, enough for essentials, making it perfect for quick backups and outdoor use. Compared with others, it's more beginner-friendly and ultra-fast, but slightly limited for heavy loads. Now reliability. LiFePO4 battery with over 3,000 cycles gives real peace of mind. Downsides? Lower capacity and not ideal for power-hungry devices. Still, for light users wanting speed and safety, this feels like a smart, stress-free pick. Would you choose speed or higher power? At number 2 is Anker SOLIX C2000. What if one power station could keep your fridge running for days without fear? The Anker SOLIX C2000 enters the top 5 solar generator with LiFePO4 battery category with serious authority. First, power. 2,400 watts rated, 4,000 watts peak. Enough for heavy appliances, solving the biggest concern. Real home backup. But wait, it gets better. Expandable up to 4 kilowatt hours, it delivers long-lasting peace of mind. Compared with others, it feels more balanced between power and portability. Now speed. Full recharge in 58 minutes keeps you ahead of outages. Add ultra-low standby use, and efficiency becomes a game changer. Downsides? Slightly heavy and premium price. Still, if you want reliable, long-duration backup, this is a confident, smart investment. Would you trust this during a blackout? Now, moving to the last one is EF ECOFLOW Delta 2. What if your backup power could charge faster than your phone anxiety kicks in? The EF ECOFLOW Delta 2 makes a bold entry in the top 5 solar generator with LiFePO4 battery category. First, speed. 0 to 80% in 50 minutes. That's a lifesaver during sudden outages. But can it handle real loads? With 1,800 watts output and 15 ports, it powers most essentials with ease. Compared with others, it strikes a sweet balance between speed and versatility. Now flexibility. Expandable from 1 to 3 kilowatt hours, giving you control over your backup needs. Add clean solar input and a long-life battery for true peace of mind. Downsides? Expansion costs extra, and base capacity feels limited. Still, for flexible, fast, and reliable power, this is a smart, everyday choice. Would you upgrade your backup game? The clear winner is Anker SOLIX C2000. If you want one power station that truly does it all, the Anker SOLIX C2000 is the smartest buy. It delivers serious power for heavy appliances, ultra-fast charging in under an hour, and expandable capacity for long outages. Unlike others, it balances strength, speed, and reliability perfectly. The LiFePO4 battery ensures long life, while its efficiency keeps costs down over time. Yes, it's a bit premium, but for real home backup security, it's absolutely worth it. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar generator with LiFePO4 battery. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.